Hey guys, today, let's learn how to edit posts on Threads app after posting. So if you want to learn how to edit a specific post on the Threads application after you have posted, an IFT is actually possible. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so this is actually a new feature that has been added onto the Threads application on its latest update. So you do need to go ahead and double check if you do have the latest version of Threads first. So I want you to launch at the App Store and double check if you have an update available. And when this case, if you have the latest version, just go ahead and launch it. And then I want you to go ahead and proceed with, of course, choosing the specific thread that you would like to go ahead and edit. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and maybe choose a thread that have posted on here, or I'm gonna basically log into a different account so that I could use that account because that account has some threads posted on there. In this case, I'm gonna choose just this one right here, and I'm gonna tap on my profile. Let's just go ahead and make a quick thread. Just basically type in something random and post it. Now, in this case, the option for you guys to edit your thread is gonna be located, of course, over onto the edit option. On the three dots over here, as you see, there's gonna be a specific time limit on when we could actually edit this post. And the time limit is only gonna be in up to 5 minutes. So if you have elapsed the 5-minute time limit, of course, you're not gonna have any option anymore to edit your thread. So in this case, you need to keep in mind that we do have a time limit until we can edit this specific thread. So just go ahead and use this time limit and go ahead and edit the thread as soon as you can. Do tap one post once you're done, and you can only edit the thread. Well, actually, you can edit the thread up to how many times you prefer, just within that 5-minute time limit. And that's all for this video, guys. That is how you guys could easily edit your threads on the Threads app after posting. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.